Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the industry is buzzing about a critical deadline. The US FDA's new Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR, has its final implementation date this month, February 2026. This regulation harmonizes the old quality system regulation with the international standard ISO 13485. On the surface, this seems like a simple alignment exercise. Many companies, especially those outside the US, believe their existing ISO 13485 certification makes them compliant by default. However, this assumption is proving to be a dangerous and costly oversight. The real story is in the details, where significant gaps can trap unprepared companies. The core of the issue lies in the FDA's enforcement philosophy. While the QMSR adopts the framework of ISO 13485, it doesn't abandon the foundational principles of the US Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. Specific areas like complaint handling, medical device reporting, and certain labeling controls retain unique FDA requirements. We are already seeing real-world examples of this conflict. Consider a German medtech scale-up that planned its major US product launch this quarter. They had a flawless ISO 13485 audit record. But during a pre-submission review, the FDA flagged their risk management process. While it met ISO standards, it failed to adequately integrate post-market data in a way that satisfied the FDA's specific expectations for design controls, a nuance embedded in the new QMSR. This has resulted in a 3-month delay and an expensive scramble to overhaul their documentation. This is not an isolated case. The transition requires more than a simple document cross-reference. It demands a deep gap analysis of your entire quality system. Companies must retrain their teams, from quality engineers to the executive management, who now have redefined responsibilities. You must update standard operating procedures, not just retitle them. The key challenge is that the QMSR is not just ISO 13485 with an FDA cover sheet. It represents a fundamental shift that requires both international standards knowledge and deep expertise in the FDA's unique regulatory landscape. Successfully navigating this requires a proactive strategy, not a reactive fix. As the industry adjusts to this new reality, understanding these nuances is critical for maintaining market access in the United States. The companies that thrive will be those who looked beyond the checklist and truly integrated the dual requirements into their quality culture. For more insights on navigating complex global regulatory changes like the QMSR, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at PureGlobal.